Looking for the best digital piano in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best digital pianos that deliver outstanding sound quality, realistic key action, and incredible value. Whether you're a beginner learning your first notes or a professional seeking premium performance, we've got the perfect option for you. Watch until the end to discover which digital piano deserves a place in your home or studio. Number 5. The E-Star EUP 100 digital piano is a stylish and beginner-friendly instrument that delivers an authentic playing experience at an affordable price. Featuring a beautiful retro wood finish, this 88-key digital piano not only functions as a capable musical instrument, but also serves as an elegant addition to any living room, studio, or home office. Its standout feature is the 88-key, fully weighted hammer action keyboard, designed to mimic the touch and response of a traditional grand piano. This realistic feel helps beginners develop proper finger strength and technique, while giving more experienced players a satisfying playing experience. Users consistently praise the key action and sound quality, noting that it feels remarkably close to a much more expensive acoustic piano. The EUP 100 is packed with useful features, including 13 instrument voices, 128 rhythms, 31 built-in songs, dual voice mode, auto chord, transpose functions, a metronome, and recording capabilities. Wireless MIDI connectivity allows seamless integration with popular learning apps, making practice sessions more engaging and interactive. E-Star also includes an impressive accessory bundle featuring a 3-pedal unit, headphones, piano stickers, and a protective cover. The headphones are particularly appreciated by users who need quiet practice without disturbing others. Customers highlight its sturdy construction, easy assembly, and excellent value for money. Overall, the E-Star EUP 100 offers an attractive design, realistic performance, and comprehensive features, making it an outstanding choice for aspiring pianists and families alike. Number 4. The Aliexpress Recital 88-key digital piano is an excellent choice for beginners seeking an affordable, versatile, and easy-to-use instrument. Combining full-size keys with educational features and portability, it delivers a well-rounded playing experience suitable for learning, practicing, and casual performances. At the heart of the recital are its 88 premium semi-weighted keys with adjustable touch response. While they don't fully replicate the feel of an acoustic piano, they provide enough resistance to help new players develop proper finger strength and technique. Users often mention that the key action is comfortable and surprisingly satisfying for a piano in this price range. The keyboard includes 5 built-in voices: acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, synth, and bass, along with chorus and reverb effects to enhance creativity and musical expression. Its 128-note polyphony ensures smooth playback, while the powerful 2x20-watt built-in speakers deliver clear, room-filling sound suitable for home practice sessions. Educational features are another major highlight. Standard, split, layer, and lesson modes make learning more engaging, while the included SCUV premium subscription and melodics lessons provide interactive guidance for beginners. Connectivity options, including headphone output, sustained pedal input, RCA outputs, and MIDI capability, add flexibility for private practice and recording. Overall, the Aliexpress Recital offers outstanding value, combining portability, useful learning tools, and enjoyable sound quality, making it one of the best beginner digital pianos in its class. Number 3. The Donner DP 20 Beginner Digital Piano is an impressive entry-level instrument that offers an authentic piano experience without the premium price tag. Designed for beginners and returning players alike, this 88-key digital piano combines realistic touch, versatile features, and excellent value in one complete package. The standout feature is its 88 full-sized weighted hammer action keys, which closely replicate the feel of an acoustic piano. The adjustable touch response accurately reflects playing dynamics, allowing softer keystrokes to produce gentle tones and stronger presses to create more powerful notes. Users frequently praise how natural the keyboard feels, making it ideal for building proper technique. Beyond its realistic key action, the DEP-20 includes 238 instrument tones, ranging from traditional pianos to drums, bass, and ukulele sounds. The 128-note polyphony ensures smooth performance even during complex passages with sustain and layered effects. The dual keyboard mode encourages creativity by allowing players to combine different voices for unique musical arrangements. Additional features such as the backlit LCD display, MIDI recording capability, MP3 playback, and dual 25-watt speakers enhance both practice and performance. The included furniture stand and 3-pedal unit complete the traditional piano experience. Customer reviews consistently highlight the piano's rich sound quality, sturdy construction, and exceptional value. Many note that comparable setups from major brands cost significantly more. Overall, the Donner DP-20 is a well-rounded, affordable digital piano that exceeds expectations and provides an excellent foundation for aspiring pianists. Number 2. For anyone searching for a digital piano that delivers premium performance without a premium price tag, the Roland FP30X is an outstanding choice. Designed with a slim, modern look and packed with professional features, this 88-key digital piano strikes the perfect balance between affordability and musical excellence. At the heart of the FP30X is Roland's acclaimed supernatural piano sound engine, producing rich, expressive tones that respond beautifully from soft pianissimo passages to powerful fortissimo performances. Its PHA 4 keyboard with authentic ivory feel keys provides a realistic acoustic piano experience that many players appreciate. One reviewer even compared it to a kawaii acoustic piano, noting that while the action feels slightly heavier, it remains highly enjoyable and remarkably close to an acoustic touch. The FP30X also shines with versatility. Beyond its stunning concert piano voice, it includes electric pianos, organs, strings, synthesizers, and other onboard sounds suitable for virtually any musical style. The 22-watt stereo speaker system offers impressive room-filling sound, while headphones provide an even more immersive experience for private practice. Bluetooth audio and MIDI connectivity, compatibility with Roland's Piano Partner 2 app, and DAW controller functionality add modern convenience. Users praise its easy setup, beautiful sound, and upgraded features over the FP10. Overall, the Roland FP30X is a stylish, feature-rich digital piano that's ideal for beginners and advancing musicians alike. Number 1. For pianists seeking an authentic acoustic experience without the maintenance of a traditional piano, the Casio PX870 Previa Digital Piano Bundle is an outstanding choice. Featuring 88 scaled, weighted hammer action keys with simulated ebony and ivory textures, this piano delivers a remarkably realistic touch that closely resembles playing a grand piano. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced musician, the natural key response makes every practice session enjoyable. Sound quality is another area where the PX870 shines. Its enhanced piano engine captures rich resonance and expressive detail, while the 18 built-in tones provide versatility for exploring different musical styles. The powerful 4-speaker sound system fills the room with clear, dynamic audio, creating an immersive playing experience that inspires creativity. Beyond performance, this bundle offers exceptional value. It includes a matching furniture bench, headphones for private practice, an instructional book, online lessons, an instructional DVD, and an Austin Bazaar polishing cloth. Users especially appreciate how thoughtfully packaged everything arrives, often ahead of schedule and without damage. Customer reviews consistently praise the authentic key feel and impressive sound quality. First-time piano owners note that the included lesson materials make learning more approachable, while experienced players admire how closely it mimics an acoustic piano. Assembly may require a helping hand, but most agree the process is straightforward. Overall, the Casio PX870 bundle combines elegance, functionality, and outstanding performance, making it a fantastic investment for musicians of all skill levels. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best digital pianos in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect piano for your needs and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which digital piano is your favorite or if you're planning to buy one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.